Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths daily. First, establish a consistent daily routine. Try to set aside at least 30 minutes at the same time each day. Next, create a dedicated study space free from distractions. This helps your brain associate that area with focused learning. Finally, ensure you have all your materials, like your textbook and calculator, ready before you begin. This minimizes interruptions and maximizes your study time. Once you're ready, actively engage with the material. Don't just passively read examples, try solving problems on your own first. Spend about 10 minutes reviewing concepts from the previous day to keep them fresh. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach makes difficult tasks seem less daunting and helps you understand each component thoroughly before tackling the whole. Consistent practice is key to mastering math. Work through a variety of problem types to solidify your understanding of different concepts. Pay special attention to the areas where you find yourself struggling the most. This targeted practice yields significant improvement. Make it a habit to regularly review fundamental concepts and essential formulas. This keeps your foundational knowledge strong and readily accessible for more advanced topics. To sustain your daily math study, track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be a huge motivator. If you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to ask for help from your teacher, a tutor, or a classmate. Collaboration can offer new perspectives. Finally, celebrate your small victories, like understanding a tough concept or solving a challenging problem. This positive reinforcement keeps your enthusiasm high and makes daily study enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.